Teams' future stars are on display as minor league baseball comes your way on the show. Should be a good one here this afternoon between the Round Rock Express and the Heath Fillmyer, a right-hander from the Garden State of New Jersey, gets the ball here. Dan Plesac, what's the word on him?
Hey, this is a very unique pitcher. He is really tough to hit when runners get into scoring position, and that's one of the reasons why he doesn't give up many runs. We'll see if he can continue to do that in this one.
First pitch of the at-bat.
Counts 1-0.
Dan Dero, we take a look at our home nine as they take the field here today. They come into this one fresh off a victory last time out that ended a 6-game losing streak.
Yeah, Matty, nothing better than winning that last game at home before you go on a long road trip. They have the opportunity to do that today. Let's see if they get it done.
No doubt about it, Dero. They're looking to embark on an 8-game road trip. First things first, win this one here. Worry about getting on that bird for 8 games after this one here today.
Just behind the fastball there, 2 strikes now.
Take a step back right here. After 3 fastballs in a row, there is no chance he throws you a 4th.
Now a good pitch around the knees, but it doesn't quite catch the bottom of the zone. And it's up to a 3-2 full count now. J.J. Matijevic would be next. Swung on, and this ball is absolutely crushed. Forget about it. And that one is gone on a 2-strike count with 2 away in the inning.
Well, if I was the manager, I would tell my pitchers to work around this guy. I mean, he's hit 3 home runs against them in this series. What more do they need to see? 4, 5? Jeez, enough is enough.
New inning set to get underway, and next will be the switch-hitting third baseman, Catfish Brown. Ready with the first pitch. Here it comes. And a high strike to begin the at-bat. It's 0-1. Ball 1.
This guy's been really on point so far, but it's not getting any easier. He has to get through 4, 5, and 6 right here.
And he fouls this one off. And it's fouled away.
Get a good rip on it, huh?
No offer at the curve that time, and it's knotted up at 2-2.
He's struggling to find the release point of that curveball. That wasn't a very good one. Somehow he's just got to find that feel because that's a pitch he's going to need going forward.
And that misses, so it's a full count, 3-2.
Oh, he thought he had him right there. I did too, but no dice.
The swing, and he pulls it down the line and deep. Right fielder looking up, still going back. Gone to lead off the inning.
Second home run of the game right there. He is locked in at the plate. You hear so many of today's players talk about rhythm and timing. Well, he is perfectly on time in the heart of the zone.
Catfish Brown will stand in looking for home run number 3 as we take it back to inning number 4. And this was his second home run of the game as he's been dialed in so far in this one. Long run for the right fielder. He makes the catch, and the runner from second will tag and head for third. The relay throw, and he's safe.
We'll see if moving up to third pays off for him. He didn't have to tag and go for third, but now he can score a lot of different ways. Doesn't have to be a hit.
So striding forward now, Catfish Brown. He flew out in his last at-bat.
Wow. Hey, let's go, big fella.
First pitch of the at-bat.
Nope.
When facing right-handed pitching so far this season, Brown has an eye-grabbing batting line, one that resides above the 340 plateau.
You want to talk about having a career season, Matty. This guy's batting average is through the roof, one of the best in the business, and maybe more importantly, his OPS is through the roof as well, which means he's doing it with damage. Hey, this guy's obviously seeing the ball right now. That's another hard hit single, 3 for 4 right there. He's looking super solid at the plate.
So digging in now, J.J. Matijevic. He could really use a knock here, 0 for 3 in the game so far. Swinging a soft liner, but little trouble handling this one down there at third, as that will end the inning. 1 hit, 1 left. Not too many more shots left. Home half of the 8th coming up, and Round Rock is out.
Anytime you can win a game, let alone on the road, you have to feel really good about yourself. It's not easy going into that other team's ballpark and coming out with a win, but they did just that.
A 2-0 finish today. Round Rock earned the victory despite only collecting 4 total hits. Forrest Whitley earned his 9th win of the year as he racked up 10 strikeouts in the effort. Austin Pruitt wraps it up for the save. We are under the lights as the show gets you ready for another edition of Major League Baseball. Tonight, an intriguing... David Peterson, the native of Colorado, gets the start on the mound. Dan, any thoughts?
Well, this guy's kind of unique. How about a 5-pitch repertoire that he has? That gives him a lot of options for both righties and lefties, and if he's on, he could be really tough to hit.
Stepping in, Catfish Brown, as he'll get his first opportunity in this one. Has a look, now the pitch. Takes this the other way to right. He leaps, but he can't get it. It's down for extra bases. And they'll have runners at second and third following the 1-out double. Well, that's why they call baseball a game of inches.
Yeah, you're right, Matt. He showed some serious hops, but not serious enough. He goes up high for it with the good leap, but he just can't bring it in, and that allows him to cruise into second with a good piece of hitting.
The 1-2. That's lifted the other way out to left. Catch made in left. Here comes the runner for the plate. Now the relay home, and he will score on the sacrifice fly as he's in with our first tally of the ball game. So 1 run, 1 hit, no errors, and no one left. Settling in now, Catfish Brown. He'll try to get it going here to begin the 4th.
The third baseman.
Good bite to the slider, and he takes strike 1.
Hey, kids, see it. Drive it like you can. Let's go.
Strike swinging, chased a high one there.
That's just too much velocity upstairs to get good wood on it. It's going to have to lower his sights.
Here comes the 0-2 pitch. And he can't get out of the way of that one, so the leadoff man will be on to open the frame.
Yeah, I can hear the crowd murmuring now, wondering if he hit him on purpose. But hey, us pitchers need to be able to throw inside, especially when facing hitters as dangerous as he is. Pretty sure this one just got away from him, and hey, that's part of the game.
And prior to the 0-2, a move to first. And he'll dive back in.
Let's go now, one time.
On its way, the 0-2 pitch. Got him swinging, the throw. And it skips in as he steals the bag easily. So they can't get the strike him out, throw him out double play, as there's a runner in scoring position now following the punch out.
Now batting, the second baseman, Joe.
Let's go now.
The 1-2 is a swing and a miss. That's strike 3.
Wow, that's awfully impressive right there. The pitch before was really close. Called the ball. What does he do? He comes back with a better pitch and gets the punch out.
The catcher, number 35, Corey.
Pulled high in the air out to left field. And he'll get there in plenty of time to put this one away, and that ends the inning. So no runs here, no hits, no errors, and 1 man left on base. On now to the bottom half of inning number 4. Now at the plate, Catfish Brown. He's got to be looking for vengeance after getting plunked in his last at-bat.
Yeah, Matty, you're not lying. Last time up, squared right in the back. Hopefully it doesn't stiffen up. I want to see if he can get through something right here.
1 ball, no strikes the count. The 1-0. Finds the zone, strike 1.
Hey, let's go now.
Bases are empty, 1 man out. A swing and a ground ball to third. And just past his outstretched glove into left, a base hit.
Hey, guys, right there. You look for weaknesses. Can a guy come in? Can he command in? Obviously not the case in this situation. He went to the well outside half 3 times, and eventually the batter made a nice adjustment.
Here
it comes, the 3-0. And he misses with that one for ball 4. So that'll put runners on first and second now with 1 away.
As a former pitcher, I can tell you nothing is worse than having to battle not only the hitter, but the umpire as well. He didn't get some of the calls there, but there's nothing he can do about that now. Just got to go right after the next guy.
Liner towards second. A leap, but he can't bring it down. Base hit. Brown isn't stopping. Here he comes to the plate, and he's safe at the plate as it's now a 2-run game.
There you go.
Hey, D-Row, not an easy decision right there for a third base coach. That ball was hit pretty hard to right field, and you have to make a quick decision if you're going to send that runner or not.
And you know what, Dan? When you take stock in outfield arms, usually the guy with the best one is standing in right field. That's an aggressive send and way to pick up that run.
Frank Jimenez will come on to pinch hit here in a big spot.
Futures, number 18, Frank.
Well, this one had its moments of drama and excitement. In the end, these guys came away with the victory and look on to the next one.
This evening's game comes to an end, 5-4, the final tally. Welcome to MLB The Show and this presentation of minor league baseball. A good matchup here for you tonight between the International League All-Stars and the PCL All-Stars. It's baseball on the show, and it's coming up next. Adam Pletko, the California-born right-hander, is on the mound. What's your take on him, Dan?
Hey, it's hard to have all 4 of your pitches on, but I think if this guy can have 2 or 3 of his 4 pitches and have command of them, he's going to have a really good game.
Catfish. Wow.
Here comes the first pitch. Catfish Brown is at the plate as he watches ball 1.
Pitch right here. Let's go.
Now the 1-0. Lifted into center field. And Almora's got it. The side is retired. We've played an inning. Still 0-0. Into the box now, Max Schrock. He'll work on keeping this top of the second alive.
Max Schrock.
The windup and the 0-2 pitch. This one's down to third. Throw on to first gets him, and the side is retired. So they go quietly here in this half inning. On now to the bottom of the second, and we are tied 0-0. So stepping in, Catfish Brown. He flew out in his last at-bat.
Catfish. Wow.
Here's the first pitch to him. Starts him out with a curveball for a strike.
Come on, baby. See it.
Nope.
And this one's downstairs. It's a ball and a strike.
Hey, let it fly. Let it fly.
Oh, this is hit high and deep out to left. It's down for an extra base hit as they have their first hit of the contest. The relay, and he is in there.
Left fielder really never had a chance at that one at all. It was over his head before he knew it, bouncing off the base of the wall for an easy double. Those are the kind of shots anyone would feel good about.
So here's the cleanup hitter, Frank Jimenez, as he's got a chance to tie this ball game up with that equalizing run just 90 feet away at third. And he looks at one that misses ball 4, so that'll load him up, but at least the double play is in order here with one away. Now at the plate, number 74. 0 for 1 for him here in this one. Herrera, the runner at third. Brown on second. Jimenez at first, 1 gone. Hit on the ground to third. Scooped up to second for 1. Relay to first in time, and just like that, this side is retired. A couple of walks, but no damage. Back with more of our All-Star Game coverage in a moment. Tristan Casas will pinch hit here, and he's the potential tying run.
Well, this one had its moments of drama and excitement. In the end, these guys came away with the victory and look on to the next one.
A 4-1 finish in this evening's game. AJ. Minor League Baseball is live and on the air on the show. Tonight, the first of this 4-game weekend set between the Nashville Sounds and the Round Rock Express. It's baseball, it's the show, and it comes your way next. Chad Donato will be on the mound for the series opener. What do we need to know here, Danny?
Hey, this guy's been throwing the ball great. How about in his last start? Only allowed 3 hits, worked deep in the game to get the win, and we'll see if he can match that in this one and make it 2 good starts in a row.
Batting third.
Standing in, Catfish Brown. No one aboard for him, and 2 gone here in the first. The pitch. Swing, line drive. That's going to be trouble. He takes the turn and heads for second. And he'll coast into second here with a 2-out double.
No mistake what he was sitting on, looking for a dead red piece of cheese middle of the plate, and he didn't miss it.
So striding in, J.J. Matijevic, as he'll look to bring home that tying run from second with a base hit into the outfield.
Matijevic.
See it, drive it. Let's go, kid.
Ready with the 0-1. Pulled high in the air out to right field. Vieira is under it, and he makes the catch for out number 3. At the plate, Catfish Brown. He'll try to follow up the double in his last at-bat with another big hit right here.
Yeah, he jumped all over that first pitch last time up. Interested to see if he has the same approach this AB.
Hey, let her fly, let her fly. Hey, get a good one.
And the fastball hitting 93 on the gun. It's 1-1. Pena on at first, nobody out. And he popped him up. Hernandez has a play, 1 away. Ready for another chance? Catfish Brown. He flew out in his last at-bat. Here comes the first pitch. Now a big fastball, and he's well behind it with the swing.
Got to sit middle when a guy's trying to pitch around you. If he's going to give you first base, take it.
Off the plate, 1 ball, 1 strike.
You can really tell about how effective this guy's going to be when guys are swinging at that changeup. So far in this one, they've been real smart to let it go.
And he just manages to get his hand in. Now the 1-1 pitch. Swing and a liner, but foul.
Hey, your pitch, drive it deep, huh? Here you go.
The 1-2 runs a bit inside for a ball.
Right there, that a boy.
Hey, get your pitch, drive it right there.
All right, come on now. One time. Let's fly.
Now a swing and a fly ball. And it's a foul ball.
Let her rip, let her rip.
Swung on and fouled as it looked to make it all the way up into the concourse area.
Now another 2-2. Fastball, strike 3 called as he couldn't pull the trigger, and there are 2 away. Leading off the inning, Anderson Tejeda, and they'll need him to get something going here.
Things not looking very good so far in this one, but we're still innings. They're down by a couple of runs, and this would be the right place and the right time to get something going. The last thing they want to do is to try to come from behind.
Ready for another shot now. Catfish Brown. He'll look to bounce back after striking out his last time up.
Yeah, Matty, and hopefully he got it out of his system. Especially now, he's got to bear down. He gets to 2.
And it looks like they'd rather go after the next guy as the intentional walk signal comes here with 2 away.
Yeah, the guy's been on fire lately, hitting anything close, so I think this is the way to go here. Get the bat out of his hands any way that you can.
The first baseman.
Now at the plate, J.J. Matijevic. We'll see if he can come through in a clutch spot here. 2 on, 2 out here in inning number 6. And that's lifted the other way out to left. And he'll get there in plenty of time to put this one away, and that ends the inning. Digging in to try it again, Catfish Brown, as the switch hitter will take his cuts left-handed here.
Loves hitting left-handed off of right-handed pitchers, hitting over 300 against right-handed pitching.
1 ball, no strikes to count.
Hey, your turn. Drive him in. Clutch up for us, kid.
There's a fastball on the inner third taken for a strike. One and two.
1 and 2's the count.
From the belt, kicks and deals. And here's a slider. Strike 3 called, and that'll be the first out of the inning.
Well, in hindsight, it was the right choice to let the setup guy stay in the game and finish this thing. I wasn't so sure before, but the results sure speak for themselves.
12-5 is the final in this ball game. The Round Rock Express took the lead in the 4th and held on until the end.